Hello guys, first take a look at this GTA style gaming photos. These images are currently going very viral. And now you can create them using your own face too. They look really cool. So guys, let me show you how to make these photos. First go to the Play Store on your mobile and search for ChatGPT. Then download the app from there. I have already downloaded it, so I'll open the app now. After opening it, click on the three dots at the top. Then come here and log in using your Gmail account. I'm already logged in. After that, go back a little and click on the plus icon. From here, select one of your photos. Now come the main part. In this section, you need to enter a prompt. I will provide this prompt in my description box. Then paste the prompt here and send it. After waiting for about 1 minute, you will see that your image has been created beautifully. As you can see, this image looks very realistic and matches perfectly with your face. This GTA photo looking very realistic. Then click on the save button at the top to save the image. Now to create a GTA San Andreas style image, follow the same steps, select your photo and paste the prompt here. I will also provide this prompt in the description box. So guys, as you can see, the image here has also been created very nicely. After that, go back and check your gallery. You will see that the image have been saved.